everyone, this is Jayatri and she is Deepanvita. We both are from grade 8 and today our project is about the smart street light system. So street lights are very essential in all parts of the world. Thousands of street lights are installed beside the roads and highways to prevent road accidents and unwanted thefts. But the main problem is they consume up to 25 to 30% of the total energy spent in the city.
The main aim of our project is to develop the LDR and IR based streetlight system which reduces the electric power consumption. But in our developing system, the streetlights will glow with high intensity if there is any motion detected. But if there is no motion detected, then the streetlights will glow with low intensity. The advantage of our project is the streetlights will automatically turn on in the evening and they automatically turn off in the morning.
Our project is very easy to implement. The key components of our project are Arduino Uno board, LDR sensor, IR sensor and the LEDs. Arduino Uno board acts as the brain of our project which controls the whole working system. This is the LDR sensor and it detects the presence or absence of sunlight. The IR sensor detects the motion and it acts as the eye of our project. And these are the LEDs which are representing the street lights.
In our project, the LDR sensor detects the presence of sunlight and turns off the street lights automatically. If the LDR detects darkness in the evening, it turns on the street lights automatically. After turning on the street lights, if there is no motion detected by the IR sensor, then the street lights will glow with low intensity. If there is any motion detected by the IR sensor, then the first two street lights from the object will glow with high intensity.
This is the LDR sensor and it is connected to the analog pin of the Arduino which is A2. And if there is sufficient sunlight in the surroundings, then it offers high resistance and acts as an insulator which will turn off all the LEDs. If there is no sufficient sunlight or if there is absence of sunlight, and then it offers low resistance and acts as a conductor. So it turns on all the lights.
In our project, we have used 4 IR sensors which are connected to the digital pins of the Arduino and 5 LEDs which are connected to the each PWM pin of the Arduino. When IR sensor detects any motion on the road, then its intensity goes high, its intensity goes low, which means 0. Then the Arduino reads low input values from the sensor and increases the intensity of light. But if the IR sensor doesn't detect any motion, then the street lights then its output goes high, which means 1. Then the Arduino reads high output values and decreases the intensity of light.
Here we are using the PWM method. So PWM means pulse width modulation. It contains 256 values and it starts from 0 and ends with 255.
The conclusion of our project is by using this we can save some amount of electricity and of course money. By saving this electricity we can light some more homes in some areas.
Now let's see the working of the project. Now this LDR sensor is detecting the presence of sunlight. If we close it with our hand, now this is the night time and it is not detecting the presence of sunlight. Now an object is placed nearer to the IR sensor. So as you can see, the first 2 lights from the object are glowing with high intensity. If there is presence of sunlight, then the IR sensor will detect the object but it will not turn on the LEDs with high intensity.
If the IR sensor detects any motion, if the IR sensor detects multiple motions on the road, then the first 2 lights from the objects will glow with high intensity.
Now similarly, if we place multiple objects, all these LEDs will glow with high intensity. But as you can see here, there is no IR sensor because this is the last street light of the street. And even if we place, it will detect the motion, but there is no other street light to glow with high intensity. Thank you.